Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you some tips for SEO optimization or search engine optimization for your Shopify store. In other words, how to rank your Shopify store's products higher in the search results on any search engine. So let's get to the video. Now here, as you can see, I'm on my Shopify store. I've created this test store just to show you the way. Now Shopify, as you might know, is a great online like e-commerce platform or online store that you can use to sell products. It has lots of great functionalities. It's easy to use. It's beginner friendly, as you don't have to spend much time learning it. It has great functionalities for selling products, as well as categorizing and managing the inventory, adding payment methods and receiving payments, as well as drop shipping capabilities. So all in one, a great place to create your online store to sell your products, whether you do have them physically or they are digital products, or if you want to go to the dropshipping route. Now, to rank the products higher on Google, once people search for it, it requires some skills to maintain. The first thing to do, or I recommend you to do, is to use keywords. Use like search keywords of course, in your niche. Let's say I am selling clothing and I want to add a new product. So go to products, click on add product. And let's say I want to sell a hoodie. So instead of naming it hoodie, for example, simply, let's go to Google here and let's search for keywords search, for example. Okay, hit enter. And we can use a tool such as this, the keywordtool.io. Click on it in order to find keywords that you can use for your product. And you can here select a search provider, Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, stuff like that. Let's say, for example, hoodie. Okay. It's in English. It's verifying right now. And here, the keywords that are most searched for in this category are essentials hoodie, white fox hoodie, Stasi hoodie. And here you can see that ironically, in this case, just hoodie ranks the highest on the search engine. But let's say I want to sell let's see, clothing, for example. Okay, for clothing stores, Tesco, Cider, Express Clothing. So you get the point here. So you would want to find some keywords here, or some words that are ranked highest on the list, and include them in your title here or in the text description. So here, this is the second tip that I would give you, is to use original words for title and description, not just generic description and title that you would find or copy from another website. And choosing a unique description would be obvious to people that your product is unique and would rank higher on the search engine. And make your description detailed yet short and to the point. Now, another thing that I would recommend is to go ahead and upload original images, of course, of your product, so that people can notice it's an original and authentic product, not just an image that is copied online for any generic hoodie in this case. So make sure you upload some good high quality images that are taken for your product itself, not just a random photo of a hoodie downloaded from the internet. Of course, the price has to be competitive. And one thing I have to say is to upload images that are high quality. However, they need to be a smaller size, because loading times can help tremendously maintaining the customer on your page or product page. We don't want customers to have to close the new tab or the page that they opened because your site or your product page was too slow to load. Now, enough on the product page itself. Let's go back here on the home page. Let's discard these changes for now. Now, a couple of things I would like to point out. You need to have in your theme or in your website design. Let's go to Online Store right here And let's navigate to themes, which is the first option that is selected by default. Now make sure to select a high quality, good looking theme and optimize it with matching colors that match the color of your identity, brand identity. And make sure the theme is easy and doesn't require lots of time to open up, and that will help you maintain customers on your product pages. Now, the second thing, which is really important, is to customize your theme for mobile devices. Lots of people nowadays use mobile phones, and this number is only increasing. So making sure your online or Shopify store is ready for to be opened on a mobile phone, or have a mobile view that's responsive, it's not laggy, that has a clear layout of the elements and products and images, is crucial to maintain the customers on your page. Now, another thing I recommend is to use backlinks. Now, backlinks is simply putting the link for your products or your online store products or collections on another external website or blog. That can be done by many ways. If you do own a blog, you can promote your Shopify store on it, or just simply by doing affiliate business with content creators and people that have blogs rank higher on the search engine or have a large number of visitors per month. You can do a collab with these people, so they can do marketing like affiliate marketing for your products, of course, with a commission. Now, all of this would mean nothing if your product itself is of low quality, because customer retention is pretty important and bad reviews spread quickly. So make sure you offer the basic thing, a high quality product that will keep people coming back to your website, and more importantly, that will keep people coming back for more on your website. And more importantly, make sure to have they will spread a good word of mouth about your product, and that alone can help hugely with your product, especially if you are just a beginner and starting out and wanting to get more sales, as more views and more visitors to your website and more purchases that you get will help you get higher on the search results. Now, the final point I want to cover is to use an app that help you for SEO optimization. So go to add app, Shopify App Store, and then search for SEO. And you'll find here many apps that will help you better optimize your Shopify store for search engine. Let's close it for now and close this. So that's pretty much it. These were some tips that can help you optimizing search engine or SEO optimization for your Shopify store.